Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please do give us a like and subscribe. Say goodbye to hood headaches, the complete guide to replacing hood lift support shocks. Ever popped your car's hood, only for it to come crashing down? Hood lift support shocks are crucial for holding up your vehicle's hood safely and efficiently. These little components might not get much attention, but they're essential for easy and secure access to your engine. Over time, these shocks can wear out, making hood lifts unsafe or downright annoying. Replacing them is not just about convenience, it's about safety and maintaining your car in top shape. Read on to learn why these shocks matter and how to replace them easily. Signs of worn hood lift support shocks. Hood lift support shocks play a crucial role in keeping your hood open and supporting its weight when closed. Recognizing the signs of worn hood lift support shocks can prevent any unforeseen mishaps. Let's look at the common indicators that your hood lift support shocks may need replacement. Slow closing or difficulty in opening the hood. Have you noticed that your hood is taking longer than usual to close properly? Or perhaps you're experiencing resistance when trying to open it? These could be signs that your hood lift support shocks are losing their effectiveness. If you find yourself having to exert more force than usual to open or close the hood, it's time to inspect the lift support shocks for potential wear and tear. Hood not staying open. Is your hood failing to stay open on its own? This can be a clear indication that the lift support shocks are no longer able to provide the necessary pressure to keep the hood propped open. If you're constantly propping your hood up or it unexpectedly slams shut, it's best to have the lift support shocks checked to ensure safe and reliable operation. Visible physical damage or leakage. Inspect the hood lift support shocks for any visible signs of physical damage, such as dents, rust, or leaks. Physical damage can significantly impact the shock's performance and compromise the safety of your hood mechanism. Additionally, any signs of leaking hydraulic fluid may indicate a failing shock that requires immediate attention. Be proactive in addressing any visible damage to maintain the functionality of your hood lift support shocks. By staying alert to these signs of worn hood lift support shocks, you can address any issues promptly and ensure the continued smooth operation of your vehicle's hood. Remember, maintaining the integrity of your hood lift support shocks is essential for your safety and the longevity of your vehicle. Choosing the right replacement shocks. When it comes to replacing your hood lift support shocks, choosing the right replacement shocks is crucial to ensure proper function and longevity. Here are some key factors to consider when selecting the ideal replacement shocks for your vehicle. Identifying the correct shocks for your vehicle. Before purchasing replacement shocks, it's essential to identify the correct shocks for your specific vehicle make and model. Check your vehicle's manufacturer specifications or consult your owner's manual to ensure you are selecting the right shocks that are compatible with your vehicle's hood weight and mounting points. Considering OEM versus aftermarket options. When choosing replacement shocks, you'll encounter both OEM, original equipment manufacturer, and aftermarket options. OEM shocks are designed by the manufacturer and are exact replacements for the original shocks that came with your vehicle. On the other hand, aftermarket shocks are manufactured by third-party companies. Consider factors like quality, price, and warranty when deciding between OEM and aftermarket shocks. Reviewing customer feedback and ratings. Before making a final decision, take the time to research and review customer feedback and ratings for the replacement shocks you are considering. Customer reviews can provide valuable insights into the performance, durability, and overall satisfaction of the shocks. Look for patterns in feedback to help you make an informed choice that best suits your needs. When it comes to choosing the right replacement shocks for your vehicle, thorough research and consideration of factors like compatibility, quality, and customer feedback are essential to ensure a successful replacement that meets your expectations. Replacing hood lift support shocks. After prolonged use, your hood lift support shocks may wear out, resulting in difficulty opening and closing your hood smoothly. Replacing these shocks is a manageable task that you can tackle yourself with some basic tools and a bit of time. Here's how you can replace your hood lift support shocks effectively. Gathering the necessary tools and materials. Before starting the replacement process, gather the tools and materials you will need. This includes a flathead screwdriver, pliers, safety goggles, gloves, and, most importantly, the new hood lift support shocks that are compatible with your vehicle model. Locating and removing the old shocks. To begin, open the hood and locate the lift support shocks on either side. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the retaining clips securing the shocks in place. Once the clips are removed, use the pliers to detach the shocks from the mounting points on the hood and body of the vehicle. Take note of how the old shocks are positioned for easier installation of the new ones. That's it for part 1 of our complete guide to replacing hood lift support shocks. In the next video, we'll continue with the remaining steps and provide some additional tips to ensure a smooth replacement process. Don't miss part 2. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.